Iginiit ng Department of Foreign Affairs na hindi dapat pagdebatehan ang soberanya ng Pilipinas sa islang Batanes matapos sabihin sa isang Chinese symposium na bahagi ng Taiwan. Itinuturing na probinsya ng China ang Batanes. Ayon kay Foreign Affairs Secretary Maria Teresa Lazaro, hindi dapat tingnan ang mga pahayag ng mga nasa akademya bilang posisyon ng Beijing. Anya, nakaangkla sa mga pahayag ng ating pamahalaan ng foreign policy ng Pilipinas.
Only listen to government. So that's only what we can say. I cannot. I think we have to be very focused on what the position has taken, how is it evolved, and of course, in any even a decision of the Supreme Court, it has its own challenges, and that's why everybody should be concerted effort to continue and always look into the decisions of the arbitral tribunal.